here we can see only these many buttons only. But if you select this one, we get all the buttons. So we have the cabin status, lights, temperature, door slide, waterways, smoke detection. We have the seat setting, IFE power. We can control IFE power. We have the galley cool, system information, humidification. So all one by one, I will just selecting the pages. Cabin status. So you can see the cabin status. You can see the light phase. So we have the light pages. Okay. So we can see the night mode, main on off. This is available only on ground.
Ground, yeah.
Okay. Local adjustment, medium dim or the loading period levels are there. We can also do like temperature. We can see here. You can also zone, rooms and entries. So you can see the temperature as well as you can control also the rooms temperature, the heaters. All we can see here. Entries for the entry area. Okay. We have like here. Door slides. So information about the doors. The door 1L, slide is on, these doors are open. Open are shown like red. Then we have like the waterway space. There you can see the water quantity and overflowing. It's not available because the aircraft is on ground for long. Okay, so we have the smoke detection. So you can see the smoke detectors. Everything is white. It's okay. We go the further pages, seat settings. So here you can select the particular seats within the pole for the reading light. You select the reading light, you can see the seat select, and then you can select for the seat number 7. Okay. So like this will be like reading light on or off. That way you can seat select you can do. Okay. Go back from here.
So when we press the IFE power switch on the flight attendant panel, then we find these all options for the IFE power. So you can switch on off the IFE power from the IFE center switch. Then we have the onboard mobile telephony system. So that power which provides the passenger the mobile phone facility, which is over some authorized country and after a certain altitude only. So that can be enabled or disabled by this OMTS switch. Then we have the wireless LAN, that means wireless local area network, that can be switched on off. We have a remote control center. Okay, so this is the remote control center switches. Power can be which if is provided in the cabin. Then this switch is the Ethernet data satellite communication, which is enable or disable the satellite communication data link. Then we have the CCRC, that is the cabin crew rest compartment. So cabin crew rest compartment power on off can be done from here. And then we have the Ethernet data. This is for the ground communication system. Okay, so when the aircraft arrives, then the ground communication system can be enabled or disabled for the cabin for this purpose. Then we have another switch that is called the TBD. TBD is to be decided. So some specification about the entertainment system which can be installed. Okay, so all those are so far not decided. So we have the power for the future system which can be installed. So this is the TBD here. So this was about the IFE power page when we select the IFE power switch on the forward attendant panel. At that time we are getting all those options. Thank you.